Hello guys, this is Cici from Lonsdor. Today we are in UAE. We found a 2026 Land Cruiser. Okay, now we use K518 Pro and FP-30 cable to add a smart key for this car. Okay, let's go on. Okay, firstly, let's identify the chip type. Put chip to be identified into this device's card slot. You can find its 8A chip and B6. Okay, second, we need to test the remote frequency. Press any button. You can find its remote frequency is 434. Okay, now let's generate a smart key. Toyota. Okay, found the Cruiser. 2026 Land Cruiser B6. Okay, put our Lonsdor smart key into device's slot. Generate. Generation successful. Cancel. Okay, now we need to let the FP-30 cable to connect with the car. Now we need to disassemble these two shells. Connect the cable and let this cable connect with the smart box. Connect in there. Connect successful. Okay, now we should let the FP-30 cable connect with the OBD cable. Press Immo and remote. Found Toyota. Please choose Select from Vehicle. Press Middle East and find Land Cruiser. Choose after 2026. You can see the smart key chip type is 8A B6. The first that you need to read the key count. Please switch ignition on. Press twice. Okay. Now the current key count is 3.
Okay.
Second, we need to back up the Immo date. We have connected the FP-30 cable. Okay. We have connected to network. Okay. Okay, we have switched ignition on. Okay. Calculating, please wait. Input a field name. Okay. Reading data, please wait. The Immo data backed up successfully. Okay. The third one, we need to add a smart key. Okay. We need to switch ignition on. Okay. Choose the first tab. Okay. Choose the first field. Okay. You can check the count of the registered keys have 3 pieces, and you also can count of registerable keys is 4 pieces. Okay. Operation completely. Now we count of registered keys has 4 pieces. We don't need to add another smart key. Okay. Please turn ignition off. Switch ignition off. Okay, we have successfully added a smart key for the 2026 Land Cruiser. Now let's test our Lonsdor's smart key. Okay, let's test if the smart key can start the car. We need to press the brake and switch ignition on. To start normally, we need to test the smart key's remote. Lock. Unlock. Lock and unlock is normal. Test check. Close off. We need to test the keyless entry. Lock. Unlock. Isn't it simple? Have you learned it about the 2026 Land Cruiser?